Hi students. Today we discuss the real life problems in quadratic functions. Means we discuss quadratic functions. Now we will see where this quadratic function is going to apply in the real life. Let's see a small example here. Length of a rectangle is 3 centimeter more than its width. If the area is 40 centimeter square, find the length and width. So here, this question we're talking about a rectangle. Rectangle means a four-sided figure in this shape. It has a length and width. So let's see the question. To analyze the question, the length of a rectangle is the length of the rectangle is 3 centimeter more than its width. This is width. 3 centimeter more than. 3 centimeter more than means 3 centimeter more than means plus its width. So we will take the width as x here. So it will be 3 plus x. That means 3 more than width. That means 3 plus x. What? Its length. So if x is the width, the length will be 3 plus x. That's the question described here. The length of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 3 more than its width. So width is x. So 3 more than x means 3 plus x. That is length. Now the second part, if the area is 40 centimeters square, area means the measurement inside this rectangle. Area, we know the formula for area is length multiplied by width. This is the formula to find the area of the rectangle. So here the area which is given as 40. Here the length is 3 plus x and the width is x. So when we multiply the length with the width, 3 plus x with x, 3 plus x multiplied by x. You can write x here or you can multiply over here, which is equal to the area. The area is given in the question as 40. So this will be equal to 40. See, the word problem is now it's converted to a mathematical expression here. Now we can go ahead with this mathematical expression to solve the variable which is x here. So when you solve the variable, we will get the value of width. Then you can find the value of length. Now let's see how to proceed this step over here. So we know how to open the bracket. We multiply inside the bracket here. We will x multiply by x square, x multiplied by 3x equal to 40. Now we got a quadratic equation, but we have to make it into ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we move this 40 is in the right side. You have to make the 40 in the left side because we need the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So we know that x square plus 3x minus 40 equal to 0. So this is in the standard form of a quadratic equation. Now we know how to solve the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. For that, let us see what are the values of a, b and c here. Here, the value of a is the value of a is 1 here. B is 3 and C is minus 40. So the formula to find x, the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let us substitute these values. Minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square minus 4 multiplied by a1 multiplied by c, that is minus 40 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So this is minus 3 plus or minus square root of, this is 3 square is 9. When we multiply 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, multiplied by minus 40, we will get as positive 160. You can try it with your calculator and find it. The whole divided by 2, which is simplified as minus 3 plus or minus square root of 169 over 2. We know root of 169 is 13. So it is minus 3 plus or minus 13 divided by 2. As we know, quadratic equation gives two answers. The two answers are minus 3 plus 13 divided by 2 and minus 3 minus 13 divided by 2. So the x values are, we got the minus 3 plus 13 divided by 2, that is 10 divided by 2, that is 5. The next second value is minus 3 minus 13 divided by 2, that is minus 16 divided by 2 is minus 8. Now here we have two values, one is positive 5 and another one is negative 8. We know the x value is meant for the value of width. Width can be only a positive number, it's a measurement. It cannot be a negative number. So width can be only a positive number because it is a measurement. So this value is not possible because it's a negative value. It cannot be a width of a rectangle. So we will say the width of the rectangle is 5. So we will conclude in this way. So the width equal to 5. So we can write the length now. The length is, we know the length is 3 plus x. So it is 3 plus, the x is 5 here. So the length will be 8. So width is 5 centimeter. The length is 8 centimeter. Okay.